Hello friends, welcome to another video from our channel Stocks with Mac, and in this video we will take a look at the share price analysis of Infotech, which is a penny stock priced below 12 rupees. Before going to the video, if this content would be informative to you, please click on subscribe button. It will be a great support for making new videos. We can go to the presentation section. Infotech Limited is an Indian IT company incorporated in 1993. Company providing software product, IT services and business process outsourcing for variety of industry verticals including insurance, banking, capital market, etc. This is the basic information of the company. Now we can take a look at the points to be noted while we making an investment decision in this share. The company is showing a good growth in the quarterly net profit with increasing profit margin and increase in the profit for the last 3 quarters, and the company's annual net profit improving for the last 2 years. Stock showing a very bullish trend, and the relative strength index RSI showing a good price strength because the price is above short, medium and long term moving averages. The current market price is only 10 rupees. Stock showing a good earnings per share growth also. But apart from this merit point, Infotech is a company with high debt, but the growth in the financials can overcome this. Before going to make an investment decision in this company, you want to think twice because the stock price is very affordable and everyone can purchase it, but you want to plan about the quantity you purchase. Now we can take a look at the chart analysis. This is weekly time frame chart of Infotech. Current market price is about 11 rupees. We always watch stock for minimum of 2 months or for long term, so I always prefer Heikin-Ashi candles for understanding about the clear trend of the chart. We can spot a clear resistance level at 9.25 price range, so we can mark that, and we also spot a support at 8.35 price range. So this is a major levels for this stock. We got a clear breakout from our resistance level in the last week. You can make an investment decision at the current market price or wait until the retracement level. The retracement level is the resistance level itself. If the resistance level gets breakdown, then look at the support also. If the support is getting activated, you can make a buy decision. The financial report of a company have a major role while we analyze about a stock. So if you want to see the financial reports, the balance sheet, the annual report, etc., you just come to the company website Infotech and click on the investor section. Then you can see the financial report of different quarters are posted by the company itself. You can make use of it. You can click here and download it. So we got a downloaded sheet like this. It shows balance sheet, annual report, etc. It was duly signed by the company's authority itself. So you can make use of it. Thank you so much for watching this video, and please don't forget to click the subscribe button for more updates. Thank you all.